Hey everybody, so after widespread backlash, Google has decided to finally restore the functionality to turn off these ugly tab hover card previews. These things, I absolutely can't stand them at all. And I uploaded a video back a year ago, well 10 months ago to be exact. It was in September. I posted a video on how to turn off these tab hover card previews. So I'm happy to report that after Google first retired the flag as a disabled flag, and then after they removed the flag completely, due to the widespread backlash due to such action, they finally have backed down and restored the functionality. So if we just look up Chrome flags and we just look for hover, you can see tab hover card images. This is exactly the same procedure that was outlined in my previous video. We'll set that from default to disabled, and we'll relaunch the browser. And you can see now those ugly tab previews are turned off. Thankfully. Thankfully they're off now. So anyways, hope y'all enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video from Cuckoo Channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe to the channel and be sure to tick the bell so we get notified when a new video post. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, leave a comment, and share this video as well as the channel with your friends and get the word out. Also, I have a second channel, that's CubeCompMTDX. Over there you'll find videos about thunderstorms and weather, cycling, and videos about me personally. Feel free to subscribe over there as well if you like. Again, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for your support.